So this is my soybeans. I have already selected it off camera. So I'm going to wash it now and then I'll soak it overnight. This is night. Right now is night. So I'm going to wash and soak it overnight. So tomorrow morning I will wash and remove the back and then I will sun dry it. Okay, this is the next morning, and guys, this stuff almost sucked all the water, like almost all the water. Okay, so I'm going to wash it off camera now. I'll be right back. So you're going to be washing it like when you're washing your beans for moi moi or akara. So you have to try and wash it like that, so the back, the skin can go off. Yeah. So you see all this. Imagine if I didn't boil this, all this thing would have just gone inside. So this is the advantage of boiling it. This is a lot of soya bean. I didn't even know it's going to come out this much. I've not grinded it and it's a lot like this. Ooh, so this is after boiling for an hour. I'm trying to let it sieve the water and then cool a bit before I will go and sun dry it. So this is how drying my soybean. I don't have an oven. I don't have dehydrator, and there is no sun. So what I did was, after boiling it, I allowed the water to sieve out, and then I started to dry and toast it like this, little by little. Very stressful. In fact, my gas is crying right now, but I don't have choice. So this is another method you can use if you don't have all the stuffs I just mentioned now in your house. So this is the last batch. This is the last batch. So these are the things going inside my soybeans. This is my crayfish, my tiger nuts, groundnut, plantain, unripe plantain. This is not plantain chips, this is unripe plantain. I dehydrated it myself. And this is dates, and this is my cashew nuts. Yeah, so I told you guys this is gonna be the most nutritious soybeans powder you will ever come across.
Wow! Let me see what's inside this egg. Yes. Yes.
She's ready.
Say open. Open. Wow! It's a car. Blue car. Blue car. Yay! Maybe use car. The car will drive. Say beep 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 beep. Good job. Can you pretend to drive a car? Drive the car. Vroom 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 vroom. That was fun. The car is blue. The car is blue. Ew. Oh, wow.
Hey, God Almighty, this is work. I just wanted this stuff to be very smooth, and but to be honest, this guy, the grinder, did a good job, because I was expecting to see much chaff, but this is what I got. Imagine, from this whole thing, just this little. This is the last one. I'm so tired, God. This is a lot. I didn't know it's going to come out big like this. It's so much. It's a lot, as if I'm starting Soybean's business. What so? Oh God.
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Pop, pop, doctor, and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, you're not now.
To make sure everything is out.
Two little monkeys jumping on the bed.
You might see.
Pop, and bumped his head. Pop, pop, doctor, and doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Whoa, I'm done. It's called a very smooth soybeans powder. Oh guys, this is a lot too. Oh God, this is a lot. This is not only for my baby. Everybody will be using it in the house here. Everybody want to drink tea, you want to take pap, custard, any cereal, not anything at all. You can use this. So nutritious. Wow, so sweet. Okay, so this is what I got from all of this. Oh, this is a lot. Hey, I feel like this should be like two more of this. Let's watch it down because apart from this, all the other things I did so much. It's the last one. So this is all my soybean. This is a lot. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you try and make yours at home. So yeah.
Finish, voracious eater.